Welcome back. When Spider-Man got a great power, his uncle has advised him a very great thought. With a great power comes up with a great responsibility. Treat the AI on the same analogy. AI got a great power, and that comes with a lot of responsibility. That's where the responsible AI feature comes in. Responsible AI has six different principles which you have to adhere. Basically, what does that mean? Whenever you are designing, architecting, or working on AI tools and softwares, you need to take care of these principles. Let's check out one by one. Fairness. Every individual, every group should be treated equal. No biasing, no discrimination, no injustice based on any sort of parameter, whether it's sensitive parameters like race, gender, age, or maybe social economic status. Some of the more facts which we need to consider: bias mitigation, which we have to, equal treatment, like we saw, and the contextual awareness. So this is contextual awareness is a application specific status, like in a healthcare or in a criminal justice world, wherein each application is different, each individual is different. Every individual should be treated in the same way like others. Top business use cases: hiring and recruitment AI, wherein if you are working on hiring algorithm or a recruitment algorithm, all the candidates should be treated at the same level. No biasing. Credit scoring and loan approval: in the finance world, each application, each individual who is applying for the loan, for the credit, must be treated in the same way. No biasing should be performed. That's fairness. People should not left feel like a left out. Thank you. We will see the next principle in the next video.